Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together.
Gentle, dreamy feel.
So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor.
Welcome to today's watercolor lesson. In this session, we paint a beautiful bird sitting on a blossoming tree branch. For sketching, just lightly sketch the main element of our painting, the bird, the branch, and the blossoms. For the painting, let's begin with the bird. Mix a soft peachy pink color with a touch of water for transparency. Apply the first wash lightly over the entire body of the bird, leaving small highlights on the top of the head and wing area. While it's still slightly wet, add a bit of deeper red to the edge and under the wing to create depth. The key here is to work in soft layers. Painting the branch is our next step. Let's bring the branch to life. Mix a warm brown tone by blending burnt sienna with a little blue. Use a medium-sized brush to paint the first layer of the branch. Following its natural curve, add a bit of darker brown to one side while the paint is still damp to create depth and shadow. Let some area fade softly to keep the watercolor effect light and airy. Blossoms and leaves. Now for the most delicate part, painting the blossoms. Mix a soft pink shade and use a small brush to add tiny flower shapes along the branch. Keep them simple, with just a few petals each to maintain a loose, expressive style. Mix a pale blue-gray for leaves, using light stroke to keep them soft. The contrast between the blossoms and leaves will make the painting feel more dynamic. For adding feature texture, once the base layer is dry, I'm using a watercolor pencil to add soft feather details. You can use either pink or red color. Use quick and small lines along with the wing and tail to mimic natural feather texture. Just make sure to create a smooth transition. As I have always suggested, for the final adjustment, just stay back and look at your painting. If you want to soften any area, use a damp brush to gently blend the edge. You can also add a few more blossoms or leaves to balance the composition. The key is to keep the painting light, fresh, and harmonious. And there we have it, a soft watercolor bird on blossom tree. This painting was a great exercise for layering, texture, and gentle details. Keep practicing, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy painting and see you later!